To conquer my fear of the freezing cold water, I am deadly afraid of
Sit down!
3 things. First, we need it to be extremely cold outside. Task accomplished. It's been snowing all day and we're in the middle of a snowstorm, so it's perfect for a polar plunge. Second, I need a friend who's willing to do this with me because I don't want to do it alone because I'm really scared. So...
Wait, so we're going on we're going into a freezing river?
Yeah, we're going to jump into.
Yeah, we're going to jump into the freezing river, okay. Now it's 27 degrees, beautiful photos.
You can't see it. All right, now you can. Ha!
Right now it's 27 degrees.
The search for the river. They're gonna go check if this is a good enough spot for us to jump in. It was a good enough spot. I like how we just pull the car to the side and begin to undress while there's still people walking on the trail.
Okay, it's recording.
All right, I don't know, January 17th maybe? What's today's date? Oh, it's so mucky.
Just wait. Just be close to the rocks just in case you have to grab it.
Oh, I feel.
So your glasses, put them on the snow.
Oh, chill. Okay. It's like really mucky. I'm stuck on the ground. Alright. But you have to live a life you'll remember.
What did he say?
It's like a free ice bath.
Yeah! Yeah! Don't go far too out.
Oh, I'm so cold.
Come back.
Yeah!
Come back. Breathe, there we go. Sit, Bill, against
Yeah! Let's go. I love it. Bring my slipper. It's got a nice
You can't take him out. He's different. He's not the same. You are you, but he is him.